Lisa Puit, 212198.
Judge, while you're handling that matter, could I have a breakout room with Miss Curtis?
Oh, I'm so sorry, yes, I forgot she was, representing herself, okay, and so. All right, I'm gonna move you to breakout room 1.
Sure, thank you.
Sure, breakout room 1, okay. All right, and your name for the record, please.
Lisa Marie Pruitt.
Okay, and so today's date scheduled for an adjourned jail review. And you were last here on July 30th and you waived your right to an attorney. And are you still intending to waive your right to an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And I believe I referred you over to 29th District Court because you live out in Garden City, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
And then 29th District Court referred you to Team Wellness, you had intake July 31st.
Yes.
So we adjourned this matter to today's date.
Correct.
And then you were going to email in regarding a doctor's note. Regarding your inability to test in front of people. And then we adjourned this matter to today's date. You did not provide proof of your intake at Team Wellness. Did you do that?
I did it, but I have on my phone, I can get the email.
When did you do it?
I don't remember the exact date. I got like 5 different people with the program. Do you remember the date? I think it was the 10th of August.
All right, then you were ordered to participate in random testing. You missed on July 20th and August 10th. And then.
Those are Saturdays, right, John?
Well, please let me finish. And then you also tested positive for cocaine on July 30th, the same day that you were here in court. That's interesting. And you made a full payment, that was in June. So are you participating in the treatment court in the 29th District Court?
Yes, I am. I had my sex evaluation yesterday. I've been communicating with the case manager. I also had I think she's my therapist. I also talked to her.
Okay.
They put in the transfer, but I don't think you guys got it yet. It was yesterday.
I haven't received anything to sign, but okay. Here's what the court's going to do. Ma'am, what happened? With your what happened? Why did you use cocaine?
I'm not even like that day. I was more scared of coming here. That's why it was in my system, and I shouldn't have used it. But that's the truth.
Well, yeah, because I'm pretty sure you said that if I were to test you that day, you're going to be clean.
Yes,
And so we had you tested and you weren't clean. You weren't honest with the court. So here's what the court's going to do. I understand that you're participating in the program out that way, but what the court's going to do is the court's going to order you to serve your 10 days jail.
Your Honor, may I give my mom a hug though?
No. When you get out, you need a mouth.
Thank you.
No, we're gonna go this way today.
Love you.
No, there's no, you can't communicate right now. She is I'm certain she's very aware that you love her because you have brought her here and you're supporting her. So, but nevertheless, you tested positive for cocaine, ma'am, and
Your Honor,
you missed 2 tests on the 20th and the 10th, and so the court's going to order you to serve your 10 days jail.
Your Honor, the 2 days I missed was on Saturday, but I communicated with the probation officer and let her know that there was no buses running. They only had the morning time to drop for those times.
Okay.
I did communicate for those 2.
Okay. All right, 10 days jail. Thank you. Let's go off the record. Okay, Mr. Blick, good morning.
Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jewett. Mr. Jewett, would you please state your full name for the record?
Andrew Frederick Jewett.
All right, thank you. And so today's the date scheduled for a probation violation. Mr. Jewett's on probation for domestic violence, and then he was arrested last week on August 14th and was in custody in Eaton County. And, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. After speaking with Mr. Jewett, he's here before this honorable court today for a violation of probation. After speaking with him, he is prepared to enter a guilty plea and waive any sort of contested hearing.
Please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear from the testimony about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And you heard the allegation, sir, correct?
Yes.
And as to that allegation, you had police, that you were arrested and had police contact in violation of your of your probation conditions, sir. How do you plead?
Guilty.
And this would be non-technical violation number 1. And you've gone over your advice of rights for probation violation purposes with your attorney, correct?
Yes.
And you understand all of those rights.
Yes, sir.
You also understand that by entering into a plea today that you're going to be waiving some of those rights,
Yes.
specifically your right to a contested hearing.
Yes.
And you also understand, sir, the possible penalty as a result of your plea.
Yes.
And that the recommendation in this matter is for your under advisement status to be revoked, probation to be revoked, and for you to serve 90 days jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Knowing all that, do you want to continue with your plea?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to waive your, for you to enter into a plea?
No.
And counsel, if you can please provide your client.
Sure. Mr. Jewett, are you currently on probation out of the Wyandotte District Court?
Yes, sir.
As a term and condition of your probation, are you to not have any police contact and certainly not have any new charges?
Yes, sir.
Did you in fact have police contact and accrue a new charge?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that that's a direct violation of your probation?
Yes, sir.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied that the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. And as the recommendation.
Your Honor, I would like you to know that Mr. Jewett is 25 years old, single. He has no children. He's currently employed at Weber's in Ann Arbor as a server. I'd just be asking for leniency on his behalf. He is starting counseling this Thursday. I believe this is his first violation, so I'd just be asking for leniency at this time.
Well, the court also note that the probation violation will enter based upon your plea. Is this, I'm just trying to remember, is this the individual where she said she was pregnant as possible? It could have been your child, but then it didn't matter if it was your child or not, or?
Yes, Your Honor. She's still pregnant.
Okay. All right, I just want to make sure I was keeping it straight in my head. And, yeah, so sir, I thought you had a pretty high bond when you were in custody. Did the bond get posted?
Yes.
Or were the charges dismissed, or what?
No, my bond was posted.
What was your bond?
It was $25,000.
All right, well, you have some pretty big charges you have to face over there in Eaton County over there, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
And so what the court's going to do is, and you've been on probation with this court for a couple of months, And, this court's going to adopt the recommendation, the court's going to revoke probation, revoke under advisement status, and the court's going to order 90 days. So you're gonna go through that door today, you're going to go with the officer. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You want me to grab my possessions?
We'll take care
I'll
of
take
this.
care of it right here. Just have a seat. Right here. Just stick that on there.
Right in front.
Yeah, just sit in.